Hello LensVid fans and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the Seastars Q1 quick release system made by iFootage. This is one of two very innovative products that we received from the company and we'll be looking at in the next couple of videos. There's nothing new about quick release systems. We actually have an old but very popular video looking at some of the more common quick release systems on the market. However, especially for video work, many of the popular systems like the Manfrotto 501 are a little bit cumbersome for quickly moving between platforms such as fluid heads, sliders, jibs, etc. And they're designed primarily to attach to cameras and not to move camera heads between different platforms. Enter the iFootage Seastars Q1. This round quick release system is faster, smaller, and includes some useful features that should make it ideal for moving between setups with small to mid-size camera rigs. Each Seastars set has a head and a base, and it comes with a small attached Allen wrench on a short string so you won't lose it. The unit is made entirely of light and strong magnesium. It only weighs 244 grams, but it can hold up to 9 kilos, which means basically anything that you can throw at it, including some pretty significant setups. In the center of the quick release head, there is a 3/8 screw connector with a spring that reveals a 1/4 inch 20 screw so that you can choose what type of connection is right for you without any adapters. To connect it to a tripod, make sure that the head and base are locked and twist the two onto the tripod and make sure that it is secure. This is where the arms of the star are very helpful because they give you a ton of leverage. Now you can remove the head to reveal 2 hex screws inside. Use the included Allen wrench to lock these screws to prevent unwanted rotation of the base. Connect the quick release head to your favorite ball head or fluid head of choice, and just like with the base unit, you can lock the position with 3 extra pins at the bottom of the head part to prevent twisting, which is a feature that we really love. Unlike the 501 system mentioned earlier that was designed to move only the camera and attached components from one head to another, the Q1 is actually designed to connect the entire head from one type of support to the next and do so quickly and effortlessly, which can save a lot of time but also the cost of buying several heads, one for each support unit. To lock the quick release head to the base, just align the 3 white markings to the base and lock. Unlocking the mechanism is a one-handed operation, but you will need your other hand to hold the camera setup, so in this respect it's very similar to our beloved Manfrotto 323 RC2 system. As an added bonus, the Q1 has a very low profile. We don't like it when accessories make our setup taller, especially since we shoot lots of low-to-the-ground videos and tabletop B-rolls. The ideal way to use the system in our view is to have a base connected to any type of mounting unit that you're using. We have 2 stars connected to 2 of our heavy-duty tripods and 3 quick release heads connected to different types of camera heads. We will probably purchase at least an extra base and 2 heads so that we can make sure that everything that we use in the studio we can move around using the system, in the same way that we have all of our cameras set up with the RC2 plates. We see no real drawbacks to this system. We find it to be a very great product. One idea we had is maybe adding a way to connect an arm to this, but seeing as how this is really thin, we're not sure if it's technically possible. Another bonus idea is for iFootage to make an accessory to the Q1 in the form of a thin leveling base, which can be useful if you're using a photo tripod, for example. As for pricing, the Q1 currently sells for $73, and there are kits that allow you to buy more than one unit or a base with several plates, and we can certainly highly recommend it. So that was our look at the iFootage Seastars Q1 quick release system. Check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com. Subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos. Next time we're looking at the Spider Crab by iFootage. Do we need a jingle of some sort? LensVid, LensVid. We'll be checking out this iFootage. Check out the full review on our website at iFootage. Yeah, we've taken over the website. And the next one we'll be looking at the sea crab.